goes the farthest. Will. Also, we're doing 8 people. So, yeah.
Okay, hang on as you go up. Hang on.
Whoa. Okay. The first one out is Demo Dilly and Leopard Shark. And Demo Dilly is taking the lead. Oh my. They stopped. Can you tell who won?
Well, maybe let's try this again.
Okay.
They seem to tie pretty much. This is going to be more difficult because it's full of ice and snow. A leopard shark won.
How did he? Did he make it? Make it over that side and bring it to me.
Okay. Leopard shark is the winner.
It's Bigfoot, but it's on him. They took over. Did anyone make it? Did anyone make it?
Bigfoot, I believe, is the winner.
Okay. Were they almost together?
Yes, but I think Bigfoot was in front.
I couldn't see, so you had to tell me. One is Mario versus Haya. Daddy, I think we can do 16 because there's more.
We're running out of battery space, too. Mario!
How did Mario win?
He's just good in the snow.
Well, anyway, Mario's boring anyway. And only to Bigfoot versus Hound Holler.
Good.
New Bigfoot is starting to wait, so let's go.
Bigfoot gets to the end.
Yes. Okay.
Now.
Four sharks left. Leopard shark versus Bigfoot. Oh my God. What?
Big leopard shark made it all the way to the end.
They collided each other, but leopard shark barely went moving.
Yeah, it made it all the way down backwards.
No, I saw Mario fooling. Well, yeah. Now it's Mario and Bigfoot. Bigfoot!
Bigfoot.
Bigfoot went more of a take.
Now, Mario made it all the way out too, but Bigfoot wins. Now, these two are going to battle it out for the first snow challenge.
Leopard shark or Bigfoot. Leopard shark, like on the second round, did my backward mode. On the first man speed. On Bigfoot China winning. And is trying to win my come right here. Let's see if Bones Bigfoot can win his first match.
Leopard shark is in front.
Oh.
Neither one made it all the way to the end. You want to go again?
Yeah. They have to get to the end. Also, if they fall off, that doesn't count.
Okay, once again, try it again, young man.
I am
Oh, leopard shark wins. We can try this again another day. So, who is the winner?
Leopard shark.
Leopard shark is the winner.
Now, can we do a double video, please? Because they won. Got to final 2. Okay, buddy?
Okay.
We're back. We're trying to do a double the snow. Driving the snow now. We're doing driving the snow. and they're gonna add new obstacles. ice is coming in. It's called driving snow, but with ice. But ice might be very slippery, so a monster baby have to get known of that. Also, we got a little piece in there too. Now let's get started. First, up is bone taker. First, the left side. Seriously, I hope Weapon Chuck doesn't win. What? Did no one make it?
No one made it to the end.
Oh, okay.
But Leopard Shark was in first place.
Okay. Bone taker might be cool for this bone taker bit might be cool for this and this second. What? But did anyone make it past?
No.
Okay, let's do it again. Make it?
Nope. No, they didn't make it.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
And if no one makes it, we'll see who goes before this next round.
Okay. Blizzard Basher made it to the end.
You okay, Blizzard Basher? Got you what? You can do this. I'm so happy you. Next up is Bigfoot with the Top Gear Racing #1.
Bigfoot is in front.
Okay, but we still have to do it again.
Okay.
Bigfoot's settling. He barely got second.
Hot Wheels Racing #1.
We might also add wait. Where is oh y'all, I'm using him as well.
Okay. There he is.
Oh y'all, what is this?
Piranha.
Go on. No one made it.
No one made it. They kind of got bunched up in the snow.
That's why we call it the snow drift.
You want to try again?
Yeah. After 4, then we'll fight.
A piranha made it to the end.
Also, next up is also next round. I give all y'all 2 shares. See one black, one. Steve Keeper, the top is 18 number 1.
Okay, no one got all the way to the end this time.
But who went farther?
Hot Wheels Racing #1.
Who was first?
Hot Wheels Racing #1 was in first again.
He was first again?
Once again, he was in first, but he did not make it to the end. Does that mean he won?
Well, no. If no one makes it to the 4th round, we're gonna do whoever goes before us.
Okay. Hot Wheels Racing #1. All the way to the end.
Okay. But what? Let me tell you. Tell you.
Okay, are these battling for first place?
Well, I gave honor, so he gets the face for his own brother because I gave him 2 chances.
Okay.
Now Bone Jacob is a bastard and Hot Muse AC number 1. Someone made to win.
Blizzard Bastard was in first place, but no one made it to the end.
No one made it to win?
Nope.
He did a snow drift. No one made it?
No one made it.
Even the snow drift made him go slower. Look, Daddy, he went left.
I see.
I did the same thing.
Okay, Blizzard Basher, this was the 4th time, and he's in the lead.
No, it's the 5th time.
Okay.
This is the 5th time. Whoever got the farthest wins. No one made it?
No one, but Blizzard Basher is in front.
Okay. Good to buzzer. How is it good to be in a final?
He should do fine because he is a cold weather truck.
Now it's 1, and obviously
no one, but Hall Y'all is in first place.
Anyway, he got ahead. He was the first one to do it.
Well, I think Hall Y'all is the winner.
Now it's down to Hall Y'all
versus Blizzard Basher.
This truck is cold and ice. This only shot that's been funny for battle from a long time ago. Yo, it's battle. Let's get a carry shot. Now one down the stairs.
Okay.
That means that we came on it first. Oh, y'all. This is it. Oh, y'all. Or Bone Jacob is a bastard.